Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel AI Cars Update. I'm thrilled to have you here. If this is your first time, please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the bell icon to stay updated on my latest topics. Your support means a lot to me. Now we start the video without any delay. Today I will talk about the first look 2024 Lamborghini Revuelto's outside. The Revuelto is a smooth and forceful super vehicle that takes from the Aventador it replaces, yet with a more current and streamlined plan. Highlights a sharp nose with lead headlights, a low thrown outline, and wide admissions on the sides. The back end is overwhelmed by an enormous diffuser and tail lights that stretch across the width of the vehicle. Inside the Revuelto's inside is extravagant and driver-centered issue with carbon fiber cable car, a Lantera upholstery and a computerized instrument group. The seats are intensely supported and the directing wheel is decorated with Lamborghini signature contender flight propelled buttons. The infotainment framework is controlled through a touch screen mounted on the mid-control area guard. The front and back guards of the Revuelto are coordinated into the general plan of the vehicle and include enormous air admissions for cooling. The back guard likewise houses the vehicle's diffuser and exhaust tips. Dashboard. The Revuelto's dashboard is overwhelmed by that's what a computerized instrument group shows the vehicle's all's indispensable data. The mid-control area houses the infotainment framework, contact screen and environment controls. The guiding wheel is decorated with buttons for controlling the vehicle's different driving modes. At value, the 2024 Lamborghini Revuelto begins at $68,358. Gratitude for observing. Thanks for watching my content. If you like my video, please subscribe and like it.